Mom and Dad. I hope you come home soon. I miss you, Mom.
We love you, Owen. We are coming home.
I can wait. I will be brave.
Hold on, buddy. I am coming home.
Maybe this will still be a good day. The cake can wait for my family. Did someone knock at the door? Hello? Is anybody there? Oh, little cat, are you alone too?
Meow. I found you.
Do you want to be my friend? Meow. Yes, my friend. You are very kind. Meow. Thank you. Come inside. You can stay here. Meow. Warm and safe. You like birthday cake too? Meow. Happy birthday. Here is some milk for you. Meow. Thank you, Owen. I do not feel lonely now. Meow. I am here. Little cat, what do you see? Meow. Come with me. Wait for me, my friend. Meow. This way. What is this old place? Meow. A secret waits. Should we go inside? Meow. Do not worry. You are very brave, little cat. Meow. Come with me. What is this blue light? Meow. It is waiting. It feels warm and gentle. Meow. Keep it safe. Do you know this caller? Meow, an old friend. I will stay with you. Meow. Thank you, Owen. This tree feels very special. Meow, a happy place. The light is getting brighter. Meow, look ahead. There is another light over there. Meow, our journey begins. The light is still here. Meow, keep walking. The light comes from this little house. Meow, look inside. I wonder what is inside. Meow, a small surprise. It is a pretty little bell.
Meow. Take it with you.
You know this bell too? Meow, an old memory. Are we going somewhere new? Meow, come with me. This path is beautiful. Meow, stay close. Oh no, little bird, are you hurt? Meow, help your friend. I don't know how. Meow, try. Okay, meow. You are safe now, little bird. Meow. You have a kind heart. Look, the little bird can fly. Meow. You did a good job.
Good morning, Totoraken.
Good morning, Mr. Harris. You look very familiar.
Meow, an old friend. I found this little bell.
That is a very special bell.
Maybe you will find a happy story.
What is on that hill?
Our little friend wants to go.
You should follow your friend.
I am right behind you. This place is beautiful. Meow. Oh, stay here. I haven't seen anything like it. Just watch the sunset. I think this bell belongs here. Meow. You understand now. There is a little box here. Box here. The box is small and old. Meow. Hold it gently. I wonder what is inside. This is an old family picture. Meow. A special family. I think I know this cat. Meow. Keep looking. The cat looks just like you. Meow. A long time ago. This picture makes you happy. Meow. My dear friends. We should take these home. Meow. A good idea. Thank you for this wonderful day. Meow. Another story is waiting. You know this picture, don't you? Meow. It is very special. Wait for me, little friend. Meow. Come along. Do you want to go outside? Meow. Yes, follow me. We are going back again. Meow. An old place remembers. I hope it's still there. This family looks happy. Meow. They were kind. You remember them. Meow. Very much. Mr. Harris, can you help me?
Of course, Owen. Let me see.
This cat looks like my friend.
Yes,
I remember this little cat.
you came back after all these years.
Meow. I came home.
You really know my little friend.
Yes, this cat has a kind heart.
Where are we going now? Meow. One more place. We are back on the hill. Meow. This place is safe. The little box is here again. Meow. Thank you, Owen. You care about this box. Meow. A happy memory. The blue light is back. Meow. Do not be afraid. I think this belongs to you. Meow. Thank you, my friend. You look beautiful tonight. Meow because of your kindness. You have a shining friend. A kind heart can see the light. You are kind and beautiful. Kind hearts shine together. This family loved you. They gave me a home. Are you looking for them? Their love is still here. I will walk with you. You are never alone. This tree feels like home. A loving home is forever. Thank you for finding me. Thank you for your kindness. I will remember this night. Keep your heart kind. You are my best friend. Meow. Always. Someone is coming home. Meow. A happy ending begins. Mom and Dad are home. Meow. Welcome home. Dad, you made it home. I would never miss your birthday.
I missed you, Mom.
I missed you too, sweetheart.
Mom, this is my new friend. What a sweet little cat.
Hello, little friend.
Meow.
Meow. Nice to meet you.
I found this old picture. That is a wonderful surprise. Ah. Do you know this family?
I think I know this story.
It looks just like my friend. I think you are right.
Mr. Harris, can you help us? Yes, I remember this story well.
This little cat means a lot to Owen.
This little cat means a lot to many people.
I am happy we found each other.
Kind friends always find a way.
This picture needs a safe home. Meow. A happy home. Now everyone can remember. Meow. Beautiful memories. You are so funny. Meow. Play with me.
A scene begins with soft running paws and the sound of a male child's voice.
Oh,
Catch the ball, little friend.
meow. I got it.
My birthday is ready. We will celebrate together. Ah!
Is that for me?
Happy birthday, my boy. Thank you for staying with me. Meow. Happy birthday, Owen. This is a beautiful day.
Our family is together again.
I will learn something new every day. Come back and visit us again. Thank you for your friendship.
Meow. Thank you too.
The stars look very bright tonight.
Meow.
Full of hope. I am glad you found me. Meow. I am glad too. What a peaceful night. Meow. Peace is a gift. The little light is still here. Meow. Kindness never leaves. Good night, my dear friend. Meow. Good night, Owen.